Hello dear children, how are you? You all are fine? Okay, thank you. Welcome to EC Vidya. So students, already we have read something about the topic a special school. Today we will learn theme discussion of SGP3, fill the gap reference, matching and comprehension question answer discussion. So students, now the theme. The theme of the SGP3 is about how do these baby elephants learn all this. So students, do you know how they start learning from food? You all know elephants are fond of bananas and sugar canes. The trainer teaches salam many a time by giving sugar canes. If the baby elephants raises its heads to show salam without giving sugar canes, they will get praises. If not respond, they will get punishment. So students, Karagudi elephants have great demand for circus shows, temples and films for doing different activities. So students, you all must watch the popular film Hathi Mere Sathi. So students, theme this much. Now let's do fill the gap reference. Now question number 1. Read the paragraph 6 and fill the gap reference. The Karagudi trained elephants are in dash demand. The circus people dash them. In circus shows, the trained elephants dash, ride bicycle and dance to music. The temple dash need them. The cinema people also need dash to act in films. One such very popular film is dash. So students, read the paragraph 6. Let's fill the gaps. The Karagudi trained elephants are in dash demand. What will be the answer? It is from your text. The answer is great. G-R-E-A-T. The circus people dash them. What will be the answer? Need. Need them. In circuses, the trained elephants dash, ride bicycle and dance to music. The answer is salute. S-A-L-U-T-E. The temple dash need them. The temple people. The answer is people. The temple people need them. The cinema people also need dash to act in films. Need them to act in films. One such very popular film is dash, Hathi Mere Sathi. So students, note all this. Now question number 2. Match A and B with their meanings. In column A, instructions. In column A, instructions, prejudice, punishment, sugarcane, popular. In column B, orders, asking to do something. Then rough treatment. Then saying good things about somebody. Then regarded with favor, approval or affection by people in general. Now sugar plant. Let's match. Instruction. What is the meaning of instructions? You all know? orders asking to do something. We have to match it. Now praises. What is the meaning of praises? Let's match. Saying good things about somebody. We have to match it. Now punishment. What is the meaning of punishment? Rough treatment. We have to match it. Now sugar cane. You all know sugar cane? We have to match it. Sugar plant. Now popular. Popular means regarded with favor, approval or affection by people in general. We have to match it. So students, note it. Now question number 3. Question number 3. Answer the comprehension questions. In A, what are elephants fond of? What are elephants fond of? Answer: elephants are fond of bananas and sugar cane. Question in question B, what does the baby elephant do when the trainer raises a sugar cane? What does the baby elephant do when the trainer raises a sugar cane? Answer: when the trainer raises a sugar cane, the baby elephant raises its head to eat the sugar cane. Now in C, then what does the trainer say? Answer: Then the trainer says salam. So students, today your homework is remember the comprehension question answers. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.